Report na lang ang inaantay ni Secretary Gibo at kukunin na ang mga barkong pandigmang bigay ng Japan. Ngayon mismo iniinspeksyon na daw yan ng Philippine Navy kung kaya pa bang makipaggera ng 6th na destroyer. Kahapon nga nagpadala na ang Philippine Navy na mag-oobserba sa mga barko.
The Japan planning to transfer at least 6 more ships for peace.
I've just talked to the flag officer in command. There was an invitation, however, the decision process will have to depend on the fit that it will have with our present fleet and how we can integrate them, if at all, if ever, rather. So I'll wait for the report of the...
Kinumpirma na nga na kukunin talaga ang mga yan. Yan na agad ang malaking good news. Pero syempre, nakadepende pa rin talaga sa report. Hindi pa nga tuluyang nakukuha ang mga barko. Nire-ready na agad ng Department of National Defense ang pondo sa pagbili ng armas ng mga barko, mga missiles, rocket launchers, at ammunition para sa close-in weapon system.
And of course, it will add to the fleet size, but that will depend on whether we need to spend money for weaponizing it, for interoperability, for secure communications.
Ang problema lang ni Secretary Gibo ay kung saan ipapark o ilalagay ang mga destroyer. May padating pa din kasi tayong mga Navy warship 2 landing dock, 1 corvette na BRP Diego Silang at 6 na BRP Ra Sulaiman Trust. Pero gagawa daw ng paraan si Secretary Gibo para lahat ng warship ng Pilipinas may sari-sariling mga bahay. Tuloy-tuloy rin ang DND sa pagpapalakas ng mga armas, luma man o bagong mga barkong pandigma. Yan ang tinututukan ngayon ng militar.
Plus, that's an additional 5 vessels when we are still waiting for 8 to come. And we are busy building the onshore facilities to support the 8. Nonetheless, the strategic basing initiative is hopefully going to break ground soon because we cannot afford to wait anymore for any other vessels to come without home. Lastly, the exercise to upgrade the weapon systems of all our existing vessels is a continuing exercise. So it's a balance. It's a resource management balance between acquiring new and maintaining and repurposing the old and the ordered vessels to come.
Thank you, sir.
Napakaling good news nito, di ba? Pag lahat ng yan pwede pang gamitin sa gera, edi may dagdag tayong 6 na destroyer. Kayo, gusto nyo ba yon? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salubin.